તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ।
Today is a great loss for our state and for our country. A maverick man, a magical personality who made his mark in multiple fields. He was a great actor at a time when people said people with dark skin cannot make a mark, but he made a mark. Not only he excelled in acting, also as a film producer and as the Nadigar Sangam president, he made remarkable strides for the Tamil film industry. He entered politics when two great personalities were there, Kalaignar Karunanidhi and Madam Jayalalitha. He proved to the people of Tamil Nadu and India there is a space for a third person in Tamil Nadu politics. 2011 was his high water moment. As a human being, he was always a role model for every single person. Today it's a great loss for us. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji was very fond of Captain Vijayakant. He used to give him a beer hug whenever our Honorable PM used to meet him. 2014 he was part of our NDA alliance. Today our Honorable PM, Honorable HM, our National President all have expressed their sincere condolences. They have expressed their deepest sorrow. At this point of time our request to the state government is to shift Captain Vijayakant's body to the Rajaji Hall so that people can pay their respects in a befitting way. This is not the place which is very constrained. Up to 5 kilometers people are suffering to walk here. I hope and pray the CM would consider our request. Also, Captain has to be given a government funeral and he has to be given a place outside where a Mani Mandapam has to be built to this great man. We hope and pray the CM of Tamil Nadu would consider our request and people's request.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે। બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન।